everyone, our 16th problem is let AOB be positive quadrant of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 with OA equal to A and OB equal to B. So here this is our ellipse and this first is the positive quadrant, right? So OA value is small a and OB value is small b. Then we should show that the area bounded between chord AB. So we have drawn a chord, right, which intersects the ellipse at two distinct points is called as the chord, the line. Okay, so here the area is this much only. This area we have to find. Okay, so this is a arc AB, right, on which the chord has been formed an area. So the given ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Take it as equation 1. The ellipse cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and a dash minus a comma 0 and y-axis at b 0 comma b and b dash 0 comma minus b. Okay, here a dash. Okay, so we know that equation of the chord AB is given as x by a plus y by b equal to 1 as equation 2. So from equation 1 we'll get the value of y. Okay, so equation 1 is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So we can write it as y square by b square is equals to 1 minus x square by a square. So this can be written as y square by b square is equals to a square minus x square by a square. Now taking this b square over there, so it is y square is equals to b square by a square into a square minus x square. So square goes over there, so it will be under root of b square by a square into a square minus x square. For this b and a, the square and root gets cancelled, so we'll get y is equals to, we can write plus or minus b by a root of a square minus x square. Similarly, from equation 2 also we can get the value of y. So from 2, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, we can write y by b is equals to 1 minus x by a. Taking b there and taking LCM here, we'll get y is equals to b into a minus x by a. So y is equals to b by a into a minus x. So from the complete ellipse, we have to subtract, okay, the chord. So we'll get the area of the bounded by the chord. Okay, so here required area, take this function as f of x and this function as g of x. So our required area is equals to, it is from the 0 to a on the x-axis, f of x minus g of x whole dx. Okay, so this is equals to integral 0 to a, the value of f of x is b by a root of a square minus x square minus the second g of x is b by a minus x whole dx. Now b by a is common, so we can take common and write it outside as constant, and now is integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square minus, here we'll be left with a minus x whole dx. So this is equals to b by a integral 0 to a root a square minus x square dx will write, and here it is minus a, right? So we can write its integration again. So it is minus integral 0 to a. Only a is there, so a can be written as constant. So here into 1 dx and minus minus. So it is plus integral 0 to a x dx, right? So this can be written as p by a. Integral of root a square minus x square is x by a root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. From 0 to a, minus a is constant. One integration is x 0 to a plus x will be x square by 2, so it is 0 to a again. So it is p by a whole. So it is, now substitute the upper limit. So this upper limit will get a square minus a square, which will be 0 for this. Okay, this term will be 0, so we'll substitute a only here. So it is a square by 2 sine inverse a by a, and the lower limit is all 0, minus a into upper limit is a minus 0, plus here also it is a square by 2 minus 0. So we'll get whole. So it is b by a. Here it will be 1, right? So it is a square by 2 sine inverse 1 minus a into a is a square plus a square by 2. Sine inverse 1 is sine 90 degrees, right? So it is b by a square by 2 into pi by 2 minus a square plus a square by 2. So for this term we'll take LCM. Okay, so it is p by a square by 2 into pi by 2. So this is minus 2a square plus a square by 2. So this is equals to b by a square by 2 into pi by 2. Here we'll get minus a square by 2. Now we will take a square by 2 common. So we'll get here outside a square by 2. So here it is pi by 2 minus 1. Now a and a gets cancelled. So it will be ab by 2. Here we can take LCM. So it is pi minus 2 by 2. So this can be written as pi minus 2 by 4 it is, right, into AB. Square units is the required area. Thank you.